In this video, let's see how to create and schedule SMS campaign. In the navigation bar, click on SMS. Click on Create SMS Campaign to start new campaign. Fill the details required in the form. Click the Compose SMS button to continue. Select a template group. Once approved, you can choose a template to compose the SMS. Manual SMS composition is not allowed. Click the Continue button. Select Schedule for later to set a future time for the campaign. Click Start Campaign to initiate the SMS campaign. You can also reset the campaign to send it without scheduling. Your campaign is successfully completed. In a Success pop-up, click View All Campaigns to see the list of scheduled campaigns. Here, you can see the scheduled campaign. Click on the Rescheduled button in order to reschedule the campaign. Click the Confirm button in the calendar pop-up to finalize the rescheduling. The campaign is now rescheduled. Thank you for your time.